Hey, what's up out there, YouTube? Double D here with Tournage du Bois. Welcome back. Today we have a fun little project we're doing. We got some kaleidoscope, steampunk kaleidoscope kits in that I ordered from Penn State Industries. I have those, and I have a fun little piece of Spectra ply in blue and pink. So we're gonna make ourselves a cool kaleidoscope. Let's go. Hey everybody, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed that. I know that some people don't like kit making, but it's fun to do. There's a lot of thought process that goes into it as you work through the pieces, especially kits you've never made before. So it can be a challenge while not being a massive undertaking and a massive project. So what we have is our gunmetal kit. This is the Kaleidoscope from Pensate Industries in the steampunk fashion with the Spectra ply blank with the blue and the pink. Had a lot of fun with that. And as most of you know, I don't typically do just one. So I also did one in chrome with bird's eye maple, a little bit different cutting process and things. And then I did one in brass with olive wood from Italy. So I had a lot of fun with these. Like I said, just trying different things and hadn't made any before. Figured I'd give it a try and see what happened and how I enjoyed it, which I actually really did. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. If this is your first time here, please do consider subscribing. And leave a comment down below. Tell me which one of those you like better. If you've done any kits like this, what kind of things you're enjoying doing right now. So at any rate, we'll catch you next time.